ITC Limited, one of India's leading conglomerates, has announced a crucial board of directors meeting scheduled for June 6. Now, the key agenda for this meeting includes the discussion for the demerger of the company's core and non core businesses and the allotment of shares to shareholders. The demerger aims to separate ITC's core and non core businesses, allowing the segments to operate independently and focus on their separate growth strategies. Now, the meeting will also address the allotment of shares for the newly formed entities. The newly formed entity is ITC's hotel business, ensuring fair distribution to existing shareholders. This strategic move is expected to have significant implications for ITC's stock performance, with potential benefits for investors in terms of value unlocking and enhanced focus on core competencies. Now, previously, rumors surfaced that investors would receive just one share of the new entity, that is ITC's hotel business, ITC Hotels, for every 10 shares of ITC held, which led to a significant correction in ITC's stock price from 500 to 420. This speculation caused market jitters as the investors recalibrated their expectations. Now, on June 6, the board of directors of ITC Limited will convene to finalize the demerger details and the share allotment ratio. This meeting is crucial as it will determine the future movement and prospects of ITC's stock. The proposed demerger of ITC Hotels is expected to unlock substantial value, creating a focused, pure play hotels entity. Analysts believe this strategic separation will enhance operational efficiency and align each business segment with its specific market dynamics. Additionally, the allotment of shares for the newly formed entities will ensure fair distribution among shareholders, maintaining their financial interest in both ITC Limited and demerged hotels. This move is projected to be tax neutral and free of indirect tax implications as well, providing a smooth transition for investors. Investors and market analysts are closely watching this development. This decision on June 6 could be significantly influential and could determine ITC's future stock performance. The market anticipates that this strategic move will bolster ITC's stock, with analysts suggesting a buy on dip strategy, particularly around the 450 support level. Now, as the market eagerly awaits the outcomes of this important meeting, the future of ITC hangs in balance. Will the demerger bring the expected benefits, or will the market react differently? My personal opinion is that the rumors that came a few months back about investors receiving only one share for every 10 ITC shares is somehow going to be true, because that's what was the conclusion, I think, from the board of meeting, from the meeting of the board of directors. So I don't think that the investors are going to get a lot out of this meeting, and my personal opinion is that the stock is going to go down even further, and you can expect the stock to move somewhere around the levels of 370, 380, even in fact, if the investors are highly disappointed from the meeting. However, if the board of directors do have a change of heart and decide to somehow change the dynamics, then you can see a significant jump in ITC stock price. So let's wait and watch for June 6. We also have a big event coming up on June 4th. That is our election results, which will also significantly show some kind of movement in the market, either a big upside or a big downside, depending on what happens, what the outcome of the election is. So please mention your opinion in the comment section. What do you think? What will happen on June 6th? And what do you think about the future of ITC? Thank you so much.